How's it going, guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be adding texture to these walls, and to be more specific, crow's foot texture, and this is what it's going to look like. So let's get started off with some materials. You're going to need a drywall joint compound. This is the one that we used. You're also going to need a drill to mix your drywall compound with water. This is a drill that we use, and something to mix it with. We used a grout mixer, and this is what that looks like. And something to apply all of this to the wall. We used a roller, and to give it that crow's foot effect, we used this brush right here. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step is you're going to want to get that drywall compound and put it in a 5-gallon bucket. We've added some water in there already, and the reason we're adding water to the drywall compound is because you want to thin it out a little bit, just so it can be a little bit easier to work with. Okay, now that we got all that mixed up, we can start applying this to the walls. So it's the same process as painting. You just dip it in your mud and just start applying it to the wall, just like you're painting. It's just simple as that. Now that we got that mud all on our wall, you can start adding your crow's foot texture, and this is it. All you have to do is strike it. It could be randomly, or you can make a pattern, whichever one you choose. And as you can see right here, we're going to be adding some mud to a piece of plywood. The reason we're doing this is to get those thicker lines from the crow's foot. If you don't want them to be like thick, you can just strike the wall as it is with the mud that you applied with the roller. And that's it. It's as simple as that. And one thing that I would advise is that you get another person to help you out, just to speed up the process. So again, thanks for watching.